In this video, we'll talk about the drawing tool in AutoCAD. Every tool is available in the drawing panel, which is we have in the drawing panel we have the home, we have the parametric, we have the view, we have manage, we have output. Each have its own function. Each drawing panels have its own function. We do have the model space, and this model space you see here is the drawing area. Also, we have the layout 1, the layout 2. The main tab is the home tab. The home tab in AutoCAD can be explained as the main workspace used for creating and editing drawings. It contains most frequently used tools for drafting electrical diagrams, layouts, and schematics. The Insert tab is used to add external objects, blocks, and reference files. The first tool you will find in the draw panel is the line tool. If you are over it, stay a little bit further and you will see some information and definition for the tool. Like line, we create straight line and straight line segment and so on. Also, you will see click 1, 2, 3 that show which point you will need to click on. We will talk on each tool more further in the future video, but let's see, it is applicable to every other tools on the home section, such as radius. You see that of radius, the cycle, the 3-point section, which is the arc, that's the center, which is this semicircle, the arch, the stretch. If will be applicable in the next video, we will show the application. I will show the application for each video in the next video. Let's just check each tools out for now. That's the cycle. Under it, there are many sections under it. That's the arc, from start to end, center, end, start, center, angle, start, center, length, start, end, angle, and so on and so forth. Then under modify, there are also some tools. Just like in the tools, there are also some tools under modify. Moreover, you do have on the top here the AutoCAD application menu. You'll find more tools to open, save as, import, export. Can be export as DWF, DWFX, PDF, DGN, other formats. Then we have the publish, and the print, the drawing utilities, and close also. On top here we have the quick access toolbar, and we can access the quick access toolbar right from here. Maybe if you like to print or if you like to save, you can click the quick access toolbar down here. Down here you will find the command line. The command line is very useful, especially if you need to draw or to modify. There is actually a way to move the command line. To move the command line, right click on the dot button you see beside that, then move the cursor. That's how you move the command line. Up, down, any side you want, you can move the command line. For example, I can start the line tools, which we will talk later more in details. If you click on the line tool, notice what you have here. Notice that we do have the line tool showing down here, same as the circle, the polyline. So this is the line tools in the case that you are in the line tool mode. Notice here we do have the line on the bottom of the screen, and that would indicate that you are in the command. If you need to escape and get rid of this tool, all you need to press is the escape key. You press the escape key on the keyboard. You press it so you can clear the command line. Now here we have the status bar, and most of the icons there, you can turn them on and off. Also, we are going to talk about each one in more details. Now for drawing, accurate drawing, we have the object snap tracking, but please, I need you to know to make sure that you are not clicking on the tools, you are clicking on the arrow, because if you click on the tool itself, it will turn off. So please be careful about that every time. Just make sure you are clicking on the arrow to see the option. If it happens, you click on the tool, that will turn it off. So you need to click again to make it accurate. Notice here the customization which we have talked about in the previous video, and make sure all this is all turned on.